Hey guys, so today we're going to be finishing the implementation of our randomizing system for this project over here. So what we have is a list of buttons to which I add pretty much every single button that I have to randomize. We also have the numbers as well, and we have the list of this one of images that we are going to be adding. This is the randomizing because I do shuffle in here. So what I'm planning to do is basically I'll do like a for I, and then I have to assign the images to that. So I just gotta go down over here and yeah, I have to give like the images, right? Hold on. So I do a for each. Wait, do they all have like a tag to them? Yeah, oh yeah, they do. Let me check. This is where we have this, right? So 0 and it starts with 0, okay. So we have the tag and now we can just practically go down, and if the tag is equal to that, to this. Wait, hold on, no. So this is shuffle, right? So let's think of 5, 7, 8, okay, stuff like this, right? I don't give a shit. So we have the first one will take the image from position 5. So wait. Oh man, this is so stupid. I have to really think about it. So they should be all shuffle, right? Number should be all shuffle. This is like some sort of abstraction here that I need to make. I have to look through the images, and I wait. Should I just shuffle like? Wait a second. Does shuffle only work for int? Yeah, it works only for the int array. I'm going to do a for each where all is for the buttons, right? I don't want that. For each var item, let's do like another for each var items in number, right? And now we have to get like sort of k, right? So we get k, this one. Let's just remove this so we get this. If and when we have, what the fuck, go back. Yeah, okay, done like this. So wait, there is no need for a k, is it? Is there? No, there's no need for it. So let's do, wait, so it's for the images, right? Yeah, this k dot tag is equal to new tag, right? So we should take a string in here of equals number, right? Apparently there's an issue. I think I fixed it. So all of them have a tag, and now it's going to be switched. It's just going to be changed, and there is probably no need to even have a tag in the first place over this. Let's see if it even affects this. Uh, it probably just shouldn't do anything. So we go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna remove this and go back to start. Okay, new game. Position equals int. Okay, then let's go back. So there is an sort of reasoning to this. What is actually the, let me just think. H equal, okay, so it does this every time, okay. Well, I know, but then let's just keep those tags and have them be like that. I don't remember for this what I was doing. It was, wait. Why do I have this? Uh, what the fuck? Oh, hold on, no, this is... Okay, image position. I add these images to a list, right? It's... Okay, not even a list. Maybe. Oh yeah, it is a list. For each of them, and I make a new button. For each image in F. Okay, so hold on. What does it look like? Okay, so we make new buttons. We add them to that. New position, yeah, and tag as well. Button image equals center as button position equals image dot tag. Wait, hold on. Okay, so when I click on one of the images, oh yeah, it's because it is singular. It's not okay. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So we gotta go back, and we have this, which should change the tag to be a number for all of these images. It's not the same tag. It's completely different tag. I just realized this a bunch of seconds ago. And now we should do it for each var items uh in buttons actually. Yeah, it should be in buttons. And if okay name equals this, and probably should be no k here, or should we do okay again? Wait, so now we do for the buttons a for each loop, and if the name coincides with, oh hold on, is equal to, okay, is this more like, if this name is equal to, wait, so the, hold on, uh, but the buttons, the moment that they come in, do they have a tag, like a different tag? Because I think I want to just like equalize the tags between them. It would probably be much better. Or I could alternatively just have like two for loops and have them like be different uh, like variables, and then I could just use indexing to make it work, but I mean, yeah, it's kind of difficult to think about it. So there is a shuffle list. Um, wait. And for position, hold on, let's just think of it like having two. Let's say there is one, right? No, let's go with zero, right? So zero should sort of like look for the position. No, man, why is this so stupid? It's really difficult. I don't know why I can't like abstract it for some reason. Why I can't comprehend it. So everything here should be randomized. Okay, we have a list of buttons, and for this list we only need to essentially say, wait, I think this is what I, yeah, this should probably be what I, yeah, I just figured it out. I was being stupid. Don't remove that, just remove this. So, oh, actually I don't even need a k. I do need a k, right? Yeah. uh all that background image, but wait a second, was I actually, but is the list of buttons, right? Is equal to, yeah, this. Right. I mean, let's just try and see what it happens. What happens? I think it didn't work out well. Yeah, it really didn't work out well. It's not randomized, right? It's definitely not. For these images, I think I should like stretch them. So, uh, wait, it is stretched. What the fuck? I don't think this is even stretched. No, all that background layout equals this, right? So maybe this is going to fix the issue. Yes, it did fix the issue, but it's not randomized. So yeah, to fix this, we should probably not do this, but rather we should do something like this, right? So here it should be, man, the fact that I cannot just shuffle like a normal list of images, it's really stupid. But yeah, in any case, uh, I'm just gonna do a yeah, I think I got it. I got it. Yes. So we should have like this be equal to number, okay? But just do this and just put like number, and we're gonna be having number dot k, and this should probably fix syntax error. What is expected? This? Yeah, and now this is gonna work out. Hear me out. It's gonna be what? Index was out of range. Must be non-negative and less than the size of collection. Parameter name index. What? It's not isn't right. So number k is, I mean, it's all shuffled, right? So I don't really get what the problem is here. Let's just win k and just have everything else removed. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT. But yeah, I don't want to get to that point. So wait, perhaps maybe, I mean, what's like the size of number over here? Number has, the fuck is it? It has 8 positions. Actually, it has nine. Never mind. Yeah, it's 9. And how many buttons we have? One, two, okay, 3, 6, 9. I mean, it's quite obvious that it's 9, but I'm still struggling to understand why it doesn't want to work. So yeah, it should be just, this is like randomized. So if this is shuffled, you know what, let's just do shuffle number, and then for each item in number, and now just do me text box 1 dot text plus equals item dot toString. It's like what's that could happen. Let's just see it's shuffled, right? Oh my god, bro, fuck off. I'm not interested in hearing about the issue, but rather solving it. And I cannot solve it if I don't see the issue, so fuck off. Show images and give me. Oh, what the fuck? Uh, yeah, no wonder it didn't work out. How is this even shuffle? Like, what the fuck? That's not a shuffle. Uh, yeah, I gotta no, this is um you know what, I could practically just do like a, yeah, having number, so this with 9 positions, and then I could just let me think about it. Have like a sort of, let's make a randomizing system, okay? So I want to like choose uh a random item from the number list, right? This is what I'm trying to do. But I don't really know how I can do that without, maybe I could just remove the, oh yeah, this might actually just work out well. Yes. So this is what I have in mind. We get the count from this, so since it's already so that I can just maybe do 0, 8, right? So where do I gotta go? Let's just remove shuffle, right? So fuck that. We're going to make another list of the same stuff, except this is going to be empty. So yeah, I'm not even gonna bother with doing this. Okay, it's gonna stay like this. Number 2, which is the one that's like supposed to be fixed. The variable is declared whenever used, I don't give a shit. And now, my idea for this is to use random, so I have to make it random, so wait, something variable random, and then we take an item, and then we just take it out from the list and then add it into that. It should work out well, I believe. But now the main issue is that with random you have to use a sort of array. It's like, think of it in a unidimensional horizontal perspective, right? Or vertical, I don't give a shit. It's just one axis, right? You would have a line, and what random will do is it will select a number from this line, and if I want to take it out, then thinking of it on the axis, it will just cut it. It would cut the line in two. And uh, for example, if I have 8 numbers and 6 of these cases, it would make a cut, and the line would be split in two. This all sort of like represents taking out the number from that. So if there would be a way to just have a random, I mean, I could just do a random, and if the number isn't found, then we can do the same thing like that, but it wouldn't be efficient, and I want to aim for the highest efficiency possible. Otherwise, if I'm not being efficient, it's just going to be fucking spaghetti code. I don't give a shit. Nobody uses that. It's not sick in the industry, at least I believe so. So yeah, I'm just going to try my best to be as efficient as possible. So in this context, perhaps the best way would be to just take the number and then take a random position from 0 to 8. But yet again, I'm thinking that if we do fill in one of these numbers, then there will be no way to actually not have another cut and the line again. Mm, Still trying to figure this out. It's quite difficult though. Another option would be to just swap some of the numbers and then have like a random 1, 2, and then just do that. Actually, maybe that's actually going to be okay, because then we could iterate how many times we want to randomize this. So let's have a, yeah, this is a perfect idea, I believe. So we get a no, whoops, random meta equals new random, and then we're going to have a var o, which equals new random, no, equals dot next. And then here we're going to choose how many iterations we want. I think we should go between 5 and 10, right? So 5 and 10, the amount of iterations. Next one, I think we should maybe put this into like a method, and then we just feed that this, and then yeah, it's actually a really much greater idea having this be a new method. So int void, actually int void, there's no point in having, yeah, just void at this point, yeah, private void, that is private, but man, fuck this private void, shuffle, and not this shit, what the fuck, yeah, this is garbage. Oh, you know what, I could just have copied that, you know, yeah, just removing this entirely, and then we switch this to this. Okay, we have this, and now we do a for each. How many times? 4. Yeah, it's better like this. Is it? Oh, fuck this, fuck this. I'm absolutely never going to be using that. For I equals 0, I is smaller than the array length. Array dot length. I'm not gonna be using that first. I'm gonna be using O in this case. We are going to be doing now a for each var item. Man, what? No. For each var. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. I don't need that. We're going to be having another random here. So what we're gonna do is random change equals new random, and then we're going to be doing a change dot next from 0 to 1, and now we are going to be having, wait, is there like maybe a change dot next but not for integers but rather for the truth? Next double to string, is there no bool? Man, okay. Change dot next, and then we gotta do like 0 1. Fine. I don't need this line. Let's do if. Oh, I didn't. Oh, yeah. Var f equals this. If f is equal 0, and then we have an else. Else just don't do anything, right? So, oh, actually, I don't even need that. If f is equal to 0, then item dot position, right? So well, I gotta do var this is equal to, well, this is not really readable, is it? Let me just try. Var iterations. For iterations we have for each var number. Okay, oh, whoops, it's number here. For each var item, I'm just gonna keep item in number, and here we're going to have man, what's that? Forgot binary truth. Random change equals new random. Okay, change dot next 0 1. If binary truth is equal to 0, var lol is equal to var target number. This is probably a little bit more readable. Var target number will be item, And what we're gonna do now is item of the position. Oh, oops, I think I should have done, yeah, like a 4, not a 4, which I didn't spot that in time. I can just like do a 0, right? So I'm gonna be having iterator is equal to 0, and then I can just initialize it in iterator, right? And then I make it, that is 0, and then iterator. Oh fuck, it's. I could have just done int iterator equals 0, and then I wouldn't even need this, and neither this, man, my brain is also. I should have taken my slept a little bit more. Iterator is smaller than number dot length, and then you have iter plus plus iterator. And now, man, if you guys hear voices in the background, that's not my fault. Like, seriously, it's not my fault. And now, var target number, all this is fine, and this is fine as well. Var target number equals, yeah, this is a new value. It should be iterator, and now, what's this going to be? It's going to be number iterator equals number iterator. What? Man, what the fuck? Yeah, plus 1, and then okay, so this becomes this, and then number iterator plus 1 is equal to target number, and now we have to just completely switch this, and now we can just do here it should be shuffle, and we do, man, number, right? Number. Oh wait, hold on, I'm just going to close the door because this is fucking. Some people just can't handle themselves talking a little bit less louder. Okay. Show images, and what? Index was outside of the bounds of the array. In what sense was it outside of the array? Because I just don't understand that. Wait, it's more than the iterations, right? The iterations what? The iterator is more than the number length, and then wait, how is it? I'm not sure. What was outside of the quit clearly? Like, what was outside of the array? I'm seriously just not understanding something. So where was even the issue? It was here, right? It said for iterator plus 1, right? So I just go here. Iterator equals. Okay, okay. This makes no sense at all. So we have iterator, which is 1. No, it's 0 in this context. Okay. Oh wait, this is not iterator. It's another. Oh yeah, never mind, never mind. Iterator. It's, yeah, iterations and iterator, and it's being stupid to me. Yeah. So we have the amount of iterations. It should have like no fucking issue with. It should have like absolutely no effect on what we do now. Oh wait, which is it now? Never mind, it's fine. So, guys, we have this. Now, iterator should be smaller than the number on the left, and we should be constantly pre-incrementing iterator. So, this variable over here, I mean, it shouldn't be outside of the bounds. I don't really get why it is. Maybe I should print it or something so we can take the issue. Like print exception as something. I mean catch exception. Oh, let's just do try, and we have this. And if this doesn't work, then catch exception. Catch. and just see how it performs. 7777. What the fuck? At least this is 9 of them. It is 9, right? How do you even get to that point is my only question. Do we not feed the correct number? It is number after all. It should be fine, right? We have it over here. Let's see if the number changes or stays the same. 5556. What? How does it get outside of the... How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's probably less than that, but yeah, it's still higher than 9. It's not what I want, so shuffle and wait. Maybe it's because we don't return anything. No, I'm fucking retarded. I meant to say no, because for each of this, we randomize this. Okay. There is no need to return anything because we already do everything in the method itself. Now I'm still trying to figure out what the fucking problem is in this context. I don't get it. I really don't get it. Um. Yeah, this is not understandable. How many positions does shuffle even have? Like, no, the number. I mean, because this is like clearly dumb shit. I mean, it makes no sense. I mean, let's use the footage. Just remove this, right? I mean, just change it. And let's see now what happens. What? Bro, how? What the fuck? Do I even call this anywhere? Okay. What if I do int now? There's no way that's actually... This is so fucking retarded. How? How? This is a vector. What the fuck? Textbox 1. Do I call textbox 1 anywhere else? In this entire code? Piece of shit of code actually. Yeah, and ignore this. Yeah, it's actually ChatGPT, but don't blame me, okay? Well, this is still fucking stupid. No. Do I have the wrong text box? What the fuck? What's the issue, man? How is this possible? Like, literally, just how is this possible, okay? I'm trying to understand this. I don't fucking get it. I don't get it. And item in number. What? What's the issue here? It's a list of chars, right? It's list of chars. Should I do char? I don't think. No, it's up never. No. What if I put 7 here? No, on this, but like in this. Cannot implicitly convert type string to int. What if I do 0? Oh, but why the fuck did it not give me another one? Man, this is fucking stupid. Holy sh. Yeah, that's seven. Yeah, that was fucked up. Really fucked up. And now this should work. Because there is no way it doesn't work. Fuck off. Oh, this is because I didn't do this, right? Now it should work. Because I haven't changed anything. Show images and now it's not randomized. Fuck. How does this happen? Okay, well at least that's done with. Let me just test out and it should have done. At least this is fine now. Okay, fucking finally. Oh, whoops. No, change that back. Well, at least it's slightly better than before. Oh man, what the fuck is it? What? How does it feel like that? So we get a new value. We say if this is true, then we get a var. Okay, yeah. Perhaps this was my bad though. Yeah, perhaps maybe. Yeah, I know what happened. Equals number iterator. Yeah. I didn't see that. Yeah, never mind. It's fixed. 80123456. Okay, if that is fine, I'm not complaining though. Fine. Bro, let's go back. Index was outside the bounds of the array. In where, man? Where? Well, literally, where was it outside? And it's always this one, which leads me to think that it might perhaps not be the number length actually what is good here. So number length minus 1. I don't want to go to that length, like seriously, I just don't want to. Maybe it has something to do with iterations, but still, iterations are not called outside. I mean inside of the for. I don't get it. Just put minus 1. If it's still acting retarded, then it seems that it's not acting retarded anymore. But there is practically no reason to have this. The iterator goes from 0 to number dot length, and number dot length here is 8, right? It's 9. Oh, number dot length is actually 9, and then when it says it takes 8 as well. Oh, that's... Oh... Yeah, now it makes all the more sense. Yeah, now. Yeah, that's much more sensible. Yeah, now this is randomized. It's perfect. Yeah, to some extent it's much better than before, okay? At least I can say that. But the fact that it has like... I mean... I mean I should probably like change the randomizer so it shuffles a little bit more than that, so... Or maybe I could just do 50, maybe, and like increase this to 25. Now this should be... what? It's giving me the same shit again. 25, 50, man, what? It is really stupid. You know what? I'm changing this to 3. Uh, Alright, I have this statement made if something happens, not if something doesn't happen. Do I do ends or do I just... If it's different to 0, do this. No, 0, 1, 2, 3, let's do 2, and now this should 100% change the... How is it also the perfectly? It doesn't really make a lot of sense. What? Man, I just don't understand how this even works. Like, okay, maybe first of all, let's do something to simplify this. Let's put random this and just put it over there, right? We have this done, and now I just really want to understand how it is like even possible. I mean, I don't get it. So yeah, it's kind of... Or maybe should I just put it to like int? I mean, I don't really think it's this the issue, but yeah, it's kind of difficult. Okay, well this time it was randomized. Yeah, this time, yeah, it really was. Well, let's do it again. This time it was randomized as well. That's nice. And this time it should be randomized again. Yeah, okay, yeah. Now it's much better. Should I decrease this? Maybe let's decrease it to like 833. Maybe keep this like 20. It's still going to be randomized. And now, main thing I want to deal with. Let's see first how much. Yeah, okay, 40 minutes. That's so much. Let's do something like a function to move this. But right, how do I make this move? Uh, Probably I should be adding like 4. Wait, is there like... So no, wait, 1 right is +1, 0 no, down is -3, -3, -3, -3, -3, -3. I don't think I'm gonna change it on the diagonal. That's completely fine with me. But perhaps when I click on a button, I should be adding like 4 buttons. I mean, checking if it's not in the center. How would I even do that? Hold on. Changing like the position would be slightly difficult, so maybe I click on one and then I click on the second one, right? I think this would really work out well. Yeah, this would be really good, much better than having to deal with having 4 buttons on each side. So I click on one and I click on the other, and it's going to be something like uh, having a footage, and whenever one's being clicked... Wait, I need to go through the list of buttons and then... How do I do this? Hmm. Maybe if I set them like sort of uh no, let's just have them all subscribe to a certain... Yeah. Let me do... when this loads, I want for each... I mean, clearly it's a button in but, and what I want is button dot click plus equals to uh, private void but click, and then we do object center. Yeah, this center as button, and now we do but slash click click, and yeah, I don't need to add anything more than this. So now we have the button being sent. Oh no, being clicked. So button dot in this case I think it should be tag will be... What the fuck? Okay, fine. Uh, yeah, man. Oh, okay. Uh, Understandable, I guess. I'm gonna be having here a bull clicked. Man, why the fuck it's not taking me as a bull? It's bull clicked. Oh, well, it should be false, right? So false. Uh, right. So in this context, if I click, if clicked equals false, then click equals true. Yeah, like this. If clicked equals true, now here is where we add that. Uh, but no, we take an image. So image. Fine. Oh, whoops, never mind. It's button dot background image. And now what we do is, oh wait, no, the first one is if image equals click, then we do this, and then image 2 is equal to, wait, but I still kind of need to, yeah. Let's have button 2. No. Fucking stupid. It's really hard. I need to like define a button, and no. When I first click on it and it's false and it becomes true, I need to store that button somewhere, and I'm struggling to figure out how to do it. I could do a for each and then just like loop through and search where the tag is like that. But yeah, it's not the best. You would already be able to think of it. I can change it though. So let's first go into how I implement this. Yeah, it would just be background image equals image, right? Not that difficult, you would think. Uh, you know what? I kind of need to initialize this, right? And now image is just this, and now what the fuck? Use a unsigned local variable image, which by the way is right here. I don't understand this. Maybe I should just initialize it as null. Perhaps this will fix the main problem. Wait, is it now fixed? Never mind. It's not. Okay, man. I initialize it as null. Let's see now what's gonna happen. So I click on this. I click on. Okay, well I do change the images, so that's fine with me. But I still don't. Oh, it's because it's button image, right? So I go back and now okay. What? Image is null. Clicked is false as well. It's initialized and begins as false, so it shouldn't change instantly as soon as I. Oh. This is false and then becomes true because I have this. Fuck. Then I think I should begin with true. But then it will immediately change to false. And then, else. No, it's really stupid, man. Fuck, what do I do about this? Yeah, so first, if I have clicked being false up, then immediately by the next iteration it will be true. That's not what I want. In this case, I could perhaps maybe I don't want to have another boolean value being put in the click thing, so I'm still trying to understand a way to fix this. So if I have click being true above, it won't be, but by the time it clicks on false, and I have to add clicked equals false here. So the moment that it becomes true, it instantly becomes false, and then the next iteration it's the same thing. So it doesn't matter where I position this because it's still going to happen. Ah, fuck. Oh, well, I think I have to get another boolean value. Or like a bool retention. Bool retention. No, I'm just going deeper into the waters. It's not fixing it. Definitely not the working method. Man, this is so fucking difficult. If clicked equals false, this clicked becomes immediately true, right? Fine. In this case, I was kind of trying to backtrack and just go on having a boolean value again. But I'm still wondering to myself how I would even be able to implement it. First of all, let's retain uh what? Bro, move back. What the fuck is errorless? Go fuck yourself. First tag. No. Oops. No. No. In no case. Is the clever never used? What's the remove unused? What the fuck? Dude, how? Since when is that a problem? Man, I thought as much. Dot to string. So if clicked equals true and first tag is different to button dot dot tag dot to string, use a unassigned local variable this. Okay, just initialize it as null then. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Sender as button is the object. It's the button is the object, and it's just defined as the center. I don't get it. It's click becomes throw. Image is equal to the button image. First tag becomes, yeah, that. The button dot tag dot toString. It's somehow an issue. I really don't get it. It's fucking stupid. Give me a second. I'm still trying to fix this. Okay, moving back on this. Let's try to just fix it as soon as possible. So, okay, we have an image defined as null. We have this, and then we have the first tag, which is null, right? We do something to it. I do not understand object that I seriously don't get it. So maybe I should just do a var first tag, which is this. Okay, it was a problem and set assignment of a value to first tag. It cannot be because the name is used in includes in local scope to define a local define a local parameter. Where is it literally used? I don't fucking get it. Where is first tag being used? First tag F then maybe. And then again it's an issue. Oh, whoops, never mind, never mind. Wait, but maybe this was actually the main problem. Did I even think about? I did not think about it. No way. But wait, this is like a problem. Implicitly typed variables must be initialized. Let me have it be a string. String first tag. Okay. Dot to string. Now it's okay. And now this is use of unassigned local variable first tag. Meanwhile, first tag is actually in there. I don't get it. Like seriously, this is so fucking stupid. Where is this not even used? Use of unassigned. How is that unassigned? Bro, I don't fucking get this. How? It's absolutely fucking disgusting how this is. Well, I mean, okay, do I initialize it as null and it's still going to give me the same error? Watch that, it's gonna give me the exact same error. Let's see, object reference not set to an instance of an object. It's the exact same shit. I don't fucking get how. I get the tag of the fucking button and it's still not going to allow me. Figure out how fucking dumb this is. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. This is probably just gonna have to be the breaking point because this should not be in any case an error. It just shouldn't be an error. There's no. What the fuck? It's taken me 3 times to put a password on my phone to make it work. Camera, let's see, maybe it's gonna fucking let me see the problem. Yeah, dude, maybe he knows. Like, maybe he does. ensure first tag is not null. Why is null used as a variable type in this case? What if I put nothing? Don't tell me this is going to work. It behaves like fucking gas. Oh, never mind, it's the same thing. Button attack the string. Oh, what? Use a null check. Why would I even have to use a null check? Because I click on a button, it cannot be null by default. I don't get how you even get to that point. The error message object reference not set indicates the button tag is null and you're trying to call a toString on it. Where is it null? Because I have an entire line of code. Oh, never mind. It seems as if I don't have a never mind, it's fixed. But now it doesn't even want to change this for some reason. I don't need that anymore. The picture box. Where do I go to change this? Oof, it's already an hour past. Wow. If okay, so click becomes true and first tag is button.tag.toString, right? So whenever clicked is false, we retain the first tag. Now, if clicked equals true and first tag is different to the button tag.toString, now well maybe I should have a second tag which is, I mean this is going to be false, right? So but again, it's the same fucking problem as before. I'm trying to compare the tags here and it just doesn't want to fucking work. I need like a first tag and a second tag. But the problem is, wait, when I click, yeah, it's false, then click becomes true. First tag is defined as the tag of the first one. Okay, so we know that the upper half of this works just good. Well, it's perfect. It's fine for now. But the main problem is trying to implement changing the tag. I mean not the tag, but just comparing the two. If clicked equals true, was else everything that I actually need to do? I'm just curious. I think it was decently well. I think I can just remove this and these two as well. And I only needed to do an else over here. Perhaps this was maybe not. Maybe it was. Let me go back and see. What the fucking problem is. If, okay, it becomes true. Else if click equals true. This is the current button, not image. Okay, first of all, text box one dot text equals, oh, right. So uh, plus equals 1. Yes. Yeah, man, I wasted so much time by not doing the else. Okay. This works just fine, okay? It works perfectly. Maybe it has something to do with the background image not being changed. This goes, and this goes as well. Image will now be button.image, but I don't think it's going to work. For some reason it does say that, yeah, button dot background image. Maybe I have to put background image over here as well. Maybe, I don't fucking know. Now it's blank, absolutely blank, so I don't know, man. If I go over here and I want to add an image to it, if I want to take an image, I have this, but I don't have a background image, so background image is this one. The background image is for the control, the image that will be displayed on the control. You know what, I'm just gonna juke around and see how this is supposed to work, because yeah, no change at all, so maybe it's this and this. Maybe it's the other way around. Why doesn't it want to fucking work? Oh my god, what's not? Why? Why? Literally, why? Okay, background image. This is clearly the background image. Okay? Image. This variable is now going to become background image. Okay, maybe I shouldn't put no. Maybe I should put button.background image, right? See. Cannot use before it is declared. What, bro? What? Oh, it's never mind. Fine. Image dot oh fuck, man, can I really not just change the button dot background image dot let how can I not select the layout? In what world are we living? Why can I not select the background image layout? Never mind. Yeah, it's done now. The fuck? Yeah. How? Okay. Then in this case, I just gotta go back to. And just put it down there for fuck's sake. No, actually, no, fuck that. I'm gonna. And here is where I get the. Because I need. Yeah. And just put it like that. Use of unassigned local variable image. How? How? Man, literally, I don't get this, man. I don't fucking get it. I don't. Must be initialized before. To shut the fuck up. I use of unassigned local variable, unnecessary assignment of a value image because it's not being recognized to be used in line 107 for like literally no reason. How am I supposed to initialize this variable if okay, do I get any okay, so if I say it's null it will not work. Okay, then I'm just gonna say it's this instead, right? I initialize it at something and I later change it. Here, see? If collect equals false, then it does this, but I don't want it to be changed, so I only need it to happen when this happens, so not always. But hold on. If click equals so it begins as false, right? It's all false. It will become true, and it will change the image to be that, right? And then the second time I click, it's not going to be true. It's not going to be false. It's going to be true, but the image will be already initialized as the current image. In this case, there's little I can actually fucking do. Should I initialize it as a picture box? I don't really get it at all. Picture box, and then it's just a new picture box, right? There is no background image. I don't get it, man. I literally don't get it. I need to initialize it as something, and I cannot initialize it as null. So this is beyond something that I would be able to know. I have to search it up. Use stack properly. instead of a separate value. Where am I using tag? I'm not using tag. So what it is telling me to do is to just initialize this outside of the scope, and I think, yeah, I think that might be actually my big problem. So it's initialized as null. Yeah, and now it's no longer repetitive. It's gonna fix it. Okay, man, it works in a way. Now I have to just go on from 3 and just try to. Yeah, that was a problem. I missed it completely. It's my bad about it. Now we have done this, and what we have to continue with is making sure that we save the first image. So in this case, image first image equals null, and first image equals image. No, yeah, it's yeah image. Button dot background image equals image, and then uh button dot. No, I think I need like a tag here, right? Uh, well, I mean the button dot tag is absolutely. Oh, maybe it is useful. Wait, I get the button dot tag string tag, and now I just go over to say tag is equal to button dot tag dot toString, and this should be all okay. And I just do a for each item in string item, no, var item in but if I item dot tag tag at toString equals tag, and we have a code which says no, not clicked equals true, but rather uh, item dot background image equals first is first image, right? This is a unassigned local variable tag where, like literally where, I don't fucking get it. Okay, fixed. Now maybe this is going to work. It's still not fixing it. Also, if clicked equals true, okay, so no, wait. First image becomes the image, right? Fine. Tag, we have it initialized as button dot tag dot toString. Should be fine. Oh, it's because it's always initialized as, man, I really don't get why I have these little sort of small mistakes. Yeah, this is supposed to be global variables because they always get changed, so I have to. Yeah, this is going to work now. Maybe not. Tag is saved, and then we do a for each var item in but. Okay. So wait, we send the tag, right? We look for the tag. For each var item in but, if item.tag.toString equals tag, item.background image equals first image. Where is the issue? Where is it? Oh, I don't get it. I just seriously don't get it. It doesn't find it, maybe? item dot tag dot toString equals tag item dot background image equals first image. I don't get it. Why? I don't get it. What's the problem? Or maybe I don't need a first image. No, wait, I do. I do. So the first time that I click, it saves image, the background image, and the first image will just be initialized as the no. It's just going to be the same image, right? Well, maybe this is the problem. Maybe no, it's fine. Uh, in any case, going on over to look over this, it's not clear to me what would be the problem. Button dot background image will be image. That's completely fine. Clicked becomes false too. And then we have a for each that looks for the first. So I think it's okay. It does look for it. But the first image is clearly not working very well. Oh, it's because... Oh yeah. First image, no, this is the second image. Yeah, I already have the first image. The second image equals null, and the second image is just button dot background image. I don't need this, and I can just say it's the second one. No, okay, alright, now it's gonna work out. Okay, how do I fix this now? I really don't know. Hmm. Well, this is actually really difficult for some reason. Huh? Oh, what? How is this do? Okay, yeah, never mind. It's fine. Did I make it? Well, I think I did.